What's up, guys? What's going on, my people? So yeah, it's you and Ops again on this one. So today we're going to be doing our weekly analysis for the second week of January. Yeah, we're going to be doing our weekly analysis. So this is the thing, guys. Like, if you do not know, I only trade two pairs, which is gold and gbpusd. So in this video, I'm going to be analyzing these two pairs. I'm going to be analyzing these two pairs, trying to look at what the market is going to do for the coming week, which is this week we are entering. So yeah, that's what is going to be in the video. So yeah, let's get to it, guys. So by the way, if you want to learn how to trade, if you're a newbie, you want to learn how to trade, an absolute beginner, or maybe you're trying to figure out technical analysis, I'll put my Instagram here. You could learn from me, direct one-on-one session with me. I'll teach you how to trade from the beginning to the end, and the price for that is just $100. It's something you will never see anywhere, so I feel like you should take this opportunity. So that's it, guys. We're going to jump on the chart now. We'll jump on the charts immediately, and we're going to do this analysis and just look at where the market is going to go for the coming week. And by the way, my free Telegram is down below. Also, the broker I use is also down below, so you could join my free Telegram. You could sign up for the broker I use. Either ways, that's the deal, guys. So this is what we're gonna do. So yeah, guys, now this is gbpusd. This is gbpusd, by the way. And now when I do my weekly analysis, the first thing I want to do, I want to drop to the weekly time frame. I want to drop to the 1 week time frame and see what the market did. That's the first thing I like to do when I'm doing my weekly analysis. So I'll drop to the 1 week time frame and see what the market did within that 1 week. Now I'm going to this 1 week time frame. I'm not going there to look at the trend. I want you to look at just one candle, which is what we are seeing here. So if you look clearly in here, guys, you'll see that from last week's move, the market was a little bit rejective from a particular zone. That's the only thing I want to see, because from this last week candle, I will be able to know what the market might do next week. But this is not the only time frame I base on. So from last week move, you'll notice that the market did a doji or a hammer. Let's call it a hammer. The market did a hammer here. So the next thing I want to do is to go to the daily. And mind you, I'm a day trader. I open trade in one day and close it that same day. So the time frame I really base on a daily basis is the 4 hour to 15 minutes time frame. But when I do weekly analysis, you want to go down to a big time frame to really see what the market has done. So in this case, my biggest time frame I will go to is my weekly time frame. So now the next time frame I'm going to go to is the daily time frame. The next time frame I'll go to is the daily time frame. And let me zoom in a bit. So guys, relating to, if you know how candlestick works, you will know that relating to the previous week, to the last week, to 1 week candle, the 1 week candle we just checked, the 1 week candle is doing a hammer, which is, let me just call it rejection, a very big rejective candle. But the daily time frame is engulfing the previous move. Now, and if you look clearly here, you're going to see these higher highs and higher lows. You're going to see these higher highs and higher lows. You're going to see it clearly. It's here. Let me get the tool again. So yeah, if you look clearly, you're going to see these higher highs and higher lows. You'll see these higher highs and higher lows, signifying that it's an uptrend. Now the whole move here was just a retracement. Believe it or not, it was just a retracement. So what the market is going to do now is beginning to correct itself and move in the real direction of the market. So yeah, and the daily is not where I want to do a good analysis. But from this daily, I've known that okay, next week might most likely be bullish for gbpusd. Next week will most likely be bullish for gbpusd. So the next time frame I'll go to now is the 4 hour. This is where I'm going to stop for a weekly analysis. So I'll go to the 4 hour time frame and do my final analysis. But when I'm in the 4 hour time frame, what I want to do here is to clear my charts, clean all old drawings, or sometimes just delete it. But in this case, let me clean it. No, let me delete it, because I don't want to remove the only trade the position I took. I just want to leave it. This year I want to keep this position thing. So let me just clear it. The levels are not too bad, so I could even leave them. So something you want to pay attention to here is that, okay, the market was consolidating at this level. This is why I do the real analysis. Mind you, the previous 2 time frame I just left, which is the daily and the weekly, I was just checking out the moves in a particular candle or two. So if you notice here, the market was consolidating here. In one of my previous video, I analyzed this market and I was like, okay, the market is consolidating here, I'm not going to trade it. What I want to do is to wait for the market to break out and test this zone before I enter. Something like this. Give me a minute. What I wanted the market to do was to break out, test this zone. Then I might be looking for an entry here, but it did not do it. What it did instead, it broke out, came down to this level and tested the zone here, this zone, and tested this zone here, and it dropped. And this was a trade I took. But now the market is inside this consolidative zone. So what I want the market to do now is this. I want the market to either break out, knowing the fact, okay, I'm anticipating a bullish move. I want the market to break out. So I want the market to break out from this zone. I want it to break out here. And when it breaks out here, what do I want to do? I want to be looking for entries around this level. So that's my analysis for pound. I'm going bullish for pound. But mind you, if the market changed to a bearish case scenario, I'm also going to look for a way to fix in my entries and the rest of the thing. But right now, from analysis, it's looking bullish for me. So I'll be hoping to take more of buys this week we are entering than sells. So that's it for gbpusd. And now the next pair I trade is gold. I trade just 2 pairs to be able to focus. So I prefer trading just 2 pairs, not too many pairs. So like we always did, the first thing we want to do here is to go to the 1 week time frame. Let's go to the 1 week time frame. Yeah. Let's go to the 1 week time frame. So guys, if you look at the 1 week time frame here, mind you, pound and gold are kind of correlative. They almost move the same way. So in this case, in the other case, pound was doing a hammer. It was showing a reversal candle. But in this case, it is already bullish. It's already bullish. So looking at this 1 week time frame, I know it's already bullish. I know next week or the week we're approaching might continue being bullish. So what I want to do here is this. I'll drop to my daily time frame to see the same move. I'll be hoping to see a bullish move, which is what I'm seeing. So you see this candle here was the previous day. This was the closing candle of the week. So it was bullish. And if you look here, the move has just been going up, which is higher high and higher low, just like you've been taught. Highs and higher low being the definition of an uptrend. Lower lows and lower highs being the definition of a downtrend. So if you look here, this is exactly what has been happening for the past time. So what do you think the market is going to do? Is it will most likely continue up, but this is what it's going to do. It's not just going to keep going straight up. It is going to go up. It is going to, since it's an uptrend, it will be doing something like this continuously the whole move. So now, being a trader, where you want to enter is around, it's when it's pulling back. You want to enter at the level like this. So you want to enter at the level like this. This is the best time to enter. Then you could catch the market going up. But mind you could also be wrong. You take the loss and you move on. That's how trading is. So now I'm in the daily time frame. I see that okay, the market is bullish. Okay, I like to see that. I like that. This is a very clear movement. And this is something very clear. This is something I can stand by. I know that okay, the week was stepping in. It's a bullish week. So what I want to do now is to my 4-hour time frame, and this is where I'm going to end for the weekly analysis. So coming here, I don't even need to clear out my drawings. I didn't take any trade last week for gold. I missed 2 entries, which was going to be a very good runner, but I missed them. So this is the thing. If you look here now, you're going to see okay, the market has been bullish. It's a very clear bullish trend. Look at this trend. It's been going up. But if you look here, you'll see this rejection, and the market will most likely tap here and come down. If the market, what I'm hoping to do here is to buy, and I'm hoping to buy at this level. If the market comes to this level, I'll most likely take a buy trade. Except it's in a condition I do not trade, except it's in London session. I don't trade gold at London session. I like to trade gold at only New York session, except it's in London session. And I will take a buy from here and be hoping to take my profit around here. And I will keep looking at the market for more buys, except the market condition changes. So guys, these are the pairs I trade, and this is how I see the market. I'm a pure technical analyst, so I like to trade from levels to levels. I like support and rest. I like supply and demand zone, anyhow you want to call it. So this is how I trade, and I do not trade indicators and those type of things. So yeah guys, this is it. So if you like this type of video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Help me grow. If you can see, the channel is really young. I would like to see this channel grow, and it's a very amazing thing. Everybody wants to grow. Why would I not be the one to grow? But if that's funny. So this is the thing. So if you want to learn how to trade, if you think you would like to learn how to trade from me, what you want to do is to text me on Instagram. Text me on Instagram. If you're an absolute beginner, or you're trying to buy, or you're battling with your technical analysis, I got these things figured out by myself. I got this thing figured out already. So you could text me on Instagram. We'll talk about it, and the price is just $100. It is not free, of course. Do not go out there looking for a free thing. So the price is $100. We could do it, and yeah, we'll get it done. That's just how it is. I hope trading gets very simple for you. I hope everything gets smooth for you. It's a new year, by the way, so I hope everything is doing well. If it's not, just try to make it. Keep trying. Do not stop. So that's it for the video, guys. I'll catch you up next time. Peace.
I had to say bye bye yo, bye bye yo.